Hey, I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the belt switch on a GE dryer. The belt switch is a safety device that turns off the motor when it detects that the dryer belt is broken or not attached correctly. It prevents the dryer drum from spinning without the belt support. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, take a second to hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to see more videos like this one so you can tackle all your home appliance repairs yourself. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. All we'll need today is a Phillips screwdriver. Please remember that safety comes first, and always disconnect your dryer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before working on it. Ready, set, let's go. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the top of the front panel, just behind the door. Now we're going to lift the top panel up just a bit so we can clear the console legs and pull it forward. We're going to remove the Phillips screws that are found at each back corner of the front panel. Once we've done that, we can lift the front panel up, rotate it to the side, and disconnect the door switch wires. Then we can set the front panel to the side. With that moved out of the way, we're going to reach under our drum, and we're going to disconnect the belt from the belt pulley. Once that is disconnected, we're going to go ahead and lift up on the belt and use it to assist in pulling the drum forward and out. Now we can set that to the side as well. The belt switch is next to the motor and idler pulley arm. To make this as easy as possible, we need to take out the Phillips screws from the front of the blower housing and the back of the motor mount. We also need to remove the screw from the outlet thermostat. Now that we have those 3 screws removed, we're going to push back on our motor and rotate it sideways. The belt switch is going to be held in place by 2 Phillips head screws that we also need to remove. Once we have the belt switch free, we can disconnect the wires. Here's the old belt switch and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new belt switch, we're securing it with the 2 Phillips screws. Now that it's mounted, we're connecting each wire to the switch. To get this reassembled, we need to ensure that the idler pulley is secured properly onto the motor mount. Then slide it forward and ensure that the mounting is connected to the blower housing properly. Then you can screw the outlet thermostat back on. Now that we have it mounted in there, we're going to go ahead and secure it with those 3 screws that we originally removed. Now we can reattach the motor wiring. When that's all set, we're going to install the drum and belt. This can be a little difficult, so make sure to get the belt firmly on the motor pulley. Then grab the front panel. We're going to connect the door switch wires and then set the front panel onto the dryer. We need to secure it with the screws we removed earlier. Now we're going to slide the top panel on the console legs, rotate the top panel down, and then secure it with the long Phillips screws we removed from behind the door. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. You made it. Great job and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a new belt switch yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order a new one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support and we'll see you next time.